no reason. My wife and my children were killed in cold blood, and I was wounded, unable to help. Why this? Why us? Why? I won't let them get away with it. I'll get every last one of them.
He is called Bega, last of the Earth Warriors. Bega alone must face the alien Varga, who has cut a path of destruction across the continents. Luna can bring Bega friends like Joe, who can provide a barrier shield. Or Sony, the teleporter, who can transport you away from danger.
Forget not Varga's power, fool! I am all things in all forms!
Bega does not fear Varga.
Join with Bega to defeat the menace Varga. Save the planet Earth.
Cliffhanger, the game that keeps you on the edge of your toes. By controlling the joystick and the action button, you determine the fate of Cliff, a lovable outcast, and his quest to rescue one beautiful, breathtaking lady. But one mystic and the action button, you determine the fate of Cliff, a lovable outcast, and his quest to rescue one beautiful, breathtaking lady. But one mistake, and you've blown it. Will Count Draco strike the first blow? Will the princess be forced to marry someone she can't stand? Will Cliff get stuck in a trap door for the rest of his life? Or will our inventive international hero leap to the rescue, only to be caught hanging around again? Whether Cliff continues his fight to give hope to the helpless is in your hands.
Dragon's Lair. Time Warp.
Kidnapped? Oh, Daddy! Idiots!
Spirited away to a wrinkle in time by the evil wizard Mordrock. Daphne will be forced to marry the wicked Mordrock unless Dirk can save her.
My Daphne kidnapped! Mommy's gone.
Transported by a bumbling old time machine, Dirk begins the rescue mission.
Mine!
Do it for the children. Once the casket of doom has opened, Mordrock will place the death ring upon Daphne's finger in marriage, and she will be lost forever. In the Time Warp. Dragon's Lair, a fantasy adventure where you become a valiant knight on a quest to rescue the... Dragon's Lair, a fantasy adventure where you become a valiant knight on a quest to rescue the fair princess from the clutches of an evil dragon. You control the actions of a daring adventurer finding his way through the castle of a dark wizard who has enchanted it with treacherous monsters and obstacles. In the mysterious caverns below the castle, your odyssey continues against the awesome forces that oppose your efforts to reach the Dragon's Lair. Lead on, adventurer. Your quest awaits.
Milla, a gigantic artificial planet treasured by Esh, the wicked emperor of the Perseus universe. The wicked-hearted Esh has launched a diabolical operation to conquer our universe, Orion. Shock troops led by Orishala launched a surprise attack on the shuttle base of Orion and have taken Princess Cindy prisoner. We must rescue the princess. Join us in the battle to defend our Orion universe. Don Davis, the hero of the game. Cindy, the captured princess. Emperor Esh, a diabolical, evil little man. Orishala, enigmatic but wicked beauty.
When you move the lever in the direction of the signal, Don Davis continues the fight. If you move it the wrong way, Don will be caught in the trap. In the middle of a dangerous situation, push the escape button at precisely the right time, and Don Davis will be saved. If your timing is off, poor Don will die a hideous death.